Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Pine Knot, local and long distance movers near me. We offer plenty of options when you need a long distance move, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. When you're ready to relocate, we have the right long distance moving services for you. Our team will make sure you get a stress free move. Let us show you how your relocation can be easier. With the right Kentucky moving company, your local move becomes simple. You don't have to do the heavy lifting, the hard work, or worry about injury. Good local movers will know how to save you a ton of time and energy. With 3 Movers, you get the team you need to quickly move and efficiently as well. We streamline the local moving process to get you settled in sooner. A move that might take you all weekend, we can do in a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Pine Knot moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.